Install Minikube on Mac. Fix the missing command, install it. Start with the real error. If Minikube is missing, install Minikube with Homebrew. Homebrew also in Minikube and kubectl are installed. Now verify both tools before starting the cluster. Check the exact Minikube version first, then check kubectl. The client is installed and ready for a local cluster. Make sure Docker is running, because this start Minikube in a separate demo profile so it does not overwrite your real. The base image is pulled, Kubernetes is prepared, and kubectl is configured for the demo cluster. Now check the cluster status. Confirm the active context, so kubectl points at the Minikube cluster you just started. Wait for the node to become ready. This now lists the node. Ready means the local Kubernetes control plane is healthy. Finally, check the system pods. Core DNS. Your Minikube profile is active. Local Kubernetes is installed, started, and verified.